go. Appreciate it. Whoa. Bust it. They just buzzing it. Yeah. Damn. Damn. Yeah, man, they popping off of really. Yeah, they popping off. Y'all already knew it was going down. Y'all knew it was going down. Yeah, it's going down in the deep. Oh, yeah, this little two shot. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, this little pow pow. Ooh, damn, damn. That bill was close. Oh, now, okay, y'all down yonder now. Yeah, down yonder now. Say, hey, now. Don't get it twisted now. Don't get it twisted now. Say, I ain't never lacking now. Never lacking now. You did. They better stand down there with that shit now. Yeah, down yonder now, cause we ain't lacking over here now. Don't get it twisted. You get too close. Say. Get your ass on down yonder now. You did. Ooh, where they bust some shit, y'all. Happy New Year's, everybody. Be safe, y'all. You did. Be safe. You did. Stay like a loaded. You hear me? Keep two in the head. Bars. Catch the drift. You hear me? Yeah, this is Texas, baby. You hear me? It ain't no limit how many to carry. Bars. Right now, just keep two in the head. Bars. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, appreciate everybody. Y'all know cap. Everybody thumbs up, thumbs up. Be safe, everybody. Say New Year, new shit. We gonna rock this bitch, y'all. Yeah, we gonna rock out, y'all. No cap, man. I'm telling you, I got some new shit coming to the channel. We gonna pop out, y'all. These haters gonna be more mad. They channel going down. We said it going up. It just going down. You hear me? Let's go, y'all, for the 2025, y'all. Say we finna laugh at these haters really so bad, man. Say really so bad. Cause we the best. Drop the motherfucking mic. You hear me? Drop the mic. Cause we the best. You hear me? Yeah. We the best. Yeah. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. God damn. You hear that shit? Do y'all hear that shit? Man, that motherfucker loose. Damn! Look at that. Damn! That man, everybody come outside. You hear me? That motherfucker made everybody come outside. You hear me out, man? Say, these boys over here busting at the choppers. You hear me? This Texas, baby. You hear me? This Texas, baby. I'm telling y'all, say, we ain't playing no games. You hear me? Bar. Man, they got, ooh, y'all heard that shit? These boys over there bonfire. You hear me? I'm like, what the fuck? Man, say, man. God damn. Say, I told y'all, man. Say, they have been fooling y'all. You hear me? They have been fooling. Man, they bringing out everything out the closet, out the pillowcase. They bringing out everything, y'all. You hear me? Man, you hear a little bit of everything over here, y'all. Shit, Tommy Gun. Shit, Big Bobo. Shit, Little Nina. Shit, Chopper style. Man, say, man, they acting a fool. Yeah, man, like a hood symphony. Uh-oh, that's it. Ooh, that'd be nice one. Yeah, what's up with y'all? What's on with y'all? They still busting. They just having a good time. Yeah, they just having a good old fire range over there. Yeah, they just shooting up some shit, y'all. They ain't playing. Look, there they go. Walk